For today, I am going to discuss on how to simplify complex rational algebraic expressions. So, if the numerator or denominator or both numerator and denominator of a rational algebraic expression is also a rational algebraic expression, it is called a complex rational algebraic expression. So, I have here an example. Number 1. X squared minus 1 over 4 over x plus 1. So the numerator here is a rational algebraic expression. So this is an example of a complex rational algebraic expression. Now, to be able to solve this one, what we're going to do is we're going to separate this one as the numerator. Then we're going to change the division bar to division sign. So this will be equal to x squared minus 1 over 4 divided by x plus 1. Then next is we're going to apply the rules in dividing fractions. So in dividing fractions, we're going to proceed to multiplication, and we're going to have the reciprocal of the divisor. So we're going to have this one as x squared minus 1 over 4. Then proceed to multiplication. Then the reciprocal of x plus 1 is 1 over x plus 1. Then in here we have x squared minus 1. So we can factor this one. So that will be equal to quantity of x plus 1 times the quantity of x minus 1. This will be over 4 and times 1 over x plus 1. Then looking here in the numerator, we have x plus 1, and in the denominator we have x plus 1. So we can cancel this 2 here. Multiplying here, the result will be x minus 1 over 4. Then number 2, 3 over x squared minus 4 over 5 over x minus 2. So this is another example of a complex rational algebraic expression. So we're going to do the same. We're going to have the numerator here. So 3 over x squared minus 4, then divided by 5 over x minus 2. Then proceed to multiplication and have the reciprocal of the divisor. So we're going to have 3 over x squared minus 4 times x minus 2 over 5. Then this will be equal to 3 over the factors of x squared minus 4 are x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 2, then times x minus 2 over 5. And cancel x minus 2 and x minus 2. So our answer will be 3 over x plus 2 times 5 is 5x plus 10. And number 3, 2 over x minus 4 over y divided by 5 over y plus 3 over x squared. So this will be equal to 2 over x minus 4 over y divided by 5 over y plus 3 over x squared. Then we're going to have in the numerator 2 over x minus 4 over y. The LCD here is xy, or x times y. Then x times y divided by x is y times 2. That will be 2y. Then minus x times y divided by y is x times negative 4. That will be 4x. Then this is divided by 5 over y plus 3 over x squared. The LCD here is x squared y. Then divide this one to the denominator. The answer is x squared times 5. That will be 5x squared. Then plus x squared times y divided by x squared is y times 3 is 3y. Then proceed to multiplication. So 2y minus 4x over xy times x squared y over 5x squared plus 3y. Then we have here x and x squared, so this will become x here, then y and y, so cancel out. So our answer here will be x times 2y minus 4x, that will be 2xy minus 4x squared all over the denominator 5x squared plus 3y. Then example number 4, x over x squared minus 9 minus x over x minus 3 divided by 1 plus 1 over x plus 3. So we can have this one as x over x squared minus 9 minus x over x minus 3. This is the numerator divided by the denominator 1 plus 1 over x plus 3. Then this will be equal to, in the numerator, the divisor here is x squared minus 9, or simply quantity of x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 3. Then divide this one to x squared minus 9, this 1 times x is x. Then minus x plus 3 times quantity of x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 is x plus 3, so we're going to have minus x times the quantity of x plus 3. Then this is divided by LCD here is x plus 3. Then denominator here is 1, so x plus 3 divided by 1 is x plus 3 times 1, that will be x plus 3. Then x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 is 1 times 1, so that is 1, so plus 1. Then this will be equal to x minus x times x is x squared. The negative of 3 is negative 3x. Then this is all over quantity of x plus 3 times quantity of x minus 3. Then this is divided by x, 3 plus 1 is 4, so plus 4 over x plus 3. Then proceed to multiplication. We're going to have this one as negative x squared, then x minus 3x is negative 2x over quantity of x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 3. Then times the reciprocal of this one is x plus 3 over x plus 4. Then x plus 3 in the numerator and in the denominator, so cancel out. So our answer will be negative x squared minus 2x over multiplying x minus 3 and x plus 4. It will be x squared, then plus x, then minus 12. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below, and see you next time.